Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two totally different options to choose from. The first one is using a dialer and a secret code, and the second is using the settings. So of course I will show you both, and let's begin with the dialer. So let's open it and let's type *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK. So this is the instant way to check it, and if you want, I will show you the second option. It is using the settings. So let's find and open the settings. Let's tap on About Phone. Here we have to tap on the All Specs. Now let's scroll down and tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got the IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you want to check the serial number, just tap on Model and Hardware and the serial number simply appears. So that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.